Today we're going on to something new. Inna wa akhawatuha. Akhawatuha meaning its sisters. So inna is a specific type of word, as you'll see, that affects al-jumlatul ismiyah. How does it affect us grammatically? Inna wa akhawatuha. Let's take inna first. The word inna means verily or indeed. It's to show emphasis that something most definitely happened or is happening. These particles affect jumlatul ismiyah, i.e. the particles inna and its sisters, the sisters of inna, we'll take in the next module. Once they come into a sentence which is al-jumlatul ismiyah, they affect the sentence, they change the structure. How do they change it? Very simple. They make the subject, which is mubtada, they make it mansoob. And we said mansoob, in this instance, it gives a fatha. And instead of it being called mubtada now, remember the word mubtada comes from ibtida, to be at the beginning of the sentence. Now all of a sudden we've got inna at the beginning of the sentence. So instead of being called mubtada, it will now be called ism inna. And they make the khabar marfu' and it will now be called khabaru inna. So getting back again to the example so you can see. This was al-kitabu mufidun. Normal jumla ismiya beginning with a noun. Both are marfu' with a dhamma. At-talibu mujtahidun. The student is hardworking. Mubtada and khabar, normal with a dhamma. At-tilmidhatu mujtahidatun. Normal, jumlatul ismiya beginning with a noun. Both of them are marfu' with a dhamma. Then, when inna came, we said inna, it affects the mubtada and khabar. So this inna is a harf that makes the next word, which was initially mubtada, it makes it mansoob. That's why it has a fatha. Here it had a dhamma. Al-kitabu, it becomes innal kitaba. As for the khabar, it stays marfu'. So this now is called ism inna, and this is called khabar inna. Innal kitaba mufidun. For now, what I mainly want you to understand is when inna comes, it affects al-jumlatul ismiyah. Inna at-taliba mujtahidun. And the meaning of this is definitely or verily. As for the first one, the book is beneficial. Second is definitely the student is hardworking. Before it was at-talibu mujtahidun. Now inna has come, it's affected our mubtada which was here, so it's now become ism inna mansoob. What shows us it's mansoob in this instance? The fact that it has a fatha. Inna at-taliba mujtahidun. Inna at-tilmidhata. Before it was at-tilmidhatu. What affected it? The fact that inna came. So from this we learn inna and its sisters are particles that affect the word coming after them. The mubtada makes it mansoob and it's now called ism inna.